Hello, my dear children. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Sensei Lanka Online School. So, here I'm with a new lesson for you. Actually, it is a part of my earlier lesson. Shall we look at the topic of it? Yes, you can come with me. What is our unit number 1? The solar system. So under the solar system, we discussed a lot of lessons up to now. So today, unit number 1, part 5. Let's meet inner planets. Once again, we are in the same topic. Let's meet inner planets. But now it is lesson number 2. Lesson number 2 about Earth and Mars. Because in my earlier video lesson, I explained a lot of things about Mercury and Venus as inner planets. So today, lesson number 2, we are going to learn about the Earth and Mars. So let's have a look at them. You can find the same picture in my earlier lesson too. So these are the 4 inner planets. Don't forget the 4: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Don't forget their names. So this picture, in my earlier lesson also, I explained you what are the inner planets. So the planets between the Sun and the asteroid belt, they are called the inner planets. So there are 4 inner planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These are the 4 inner planets in our solar system. So now I think it is enough for the introduction because we have discussed it earlier. So today we are going to learn about the Earth. What is Earth? What do you know about Earth? The Earth is our planet. That is where we all live. You and me, we all are living on this planet, on the planet Earth. So already we know a lot of things about the Earth. So do you know the rotation and the revolution of the Earth? Very two important phenomena. What is rotation? Do you know the Earth has an axis? Do you know that the Earth has an axis? Actually, it is not real. It is not real. It is an imaginary line. We can draw a line like this, but this line is not there in real. It is imaginary. We called it axis. So this is the axis of the Earth. So our planet Earth is going around its own axis. Going around its own axis. So what is this process? Rotation. Rotation. So after that, if we draw the solar system, the sun is in the middle. This is the sun. So we are moving around it. We are moving around the sun also. It is the revolution. The earth is going around the sun. This is the path we are going around. So my dear children, now can you remember the rotation? Can you remember the revolution? Still if you can't remember, තවමත් මතක නැත්නම්, you can go to my lessons in grade 7 English medium geography. There you can find rotation and revolution as a separate lesson. There you can watch a lot of things and understand. So now you know the planet Earth is our planet. We are the planet Earth. So what is our place in the solar system? We are the 3rd planet. We are the 3rd planet. After the Sun, there is Mercury, there is Venus. So we are the third planet from the Sun in our solar system. And also, do you know we are located close to the Venus? And then there are 4 inner planets. Can you remember the 4 inner planets? Can you remember the 4? I gave you this picture earlier. These are the 4 inner planets. So among the 4 inner planets, we are the biggest. Earth is the biggest. අපි තමයි inner planets අතරින් ලොකුම. So we are special. The earth is special because the earth is the biggest or the largest planet among the 4 inner planets. So that is one special thing about the earth. Then think about the life, think about the people, think about the animals, the plants, ගස්, වැල්, මල් පිපෙන ගස්, පොඩි පොඩි සත්තු, ලොකු සත්තු, ශුද්‍ර ජීවීන්. So when we consider all these things, the earth is the best place to live in. According to the information up to now, දැනට තියෙන තොරතුරු අනුව, the earth is the only planet with living beings. So our planet is really special. And then we have enough water. We have pure water, pure drinking water. Our water is not polluted yet. So we have pure water in our planet. We have a lot of special things when we compare our planet with the other. First one, we have a very good atmosphere. We have oxygen. We can live easily. The second one, we have enough water. Then third one, we have enough food in our planet Earth. So these are the special things related to the planet Earth comparing with the other. So look at the color of our planet. Look at the picture on the screen. What color is it? Can you see the blue color? Because there's water everywhere. We are seen as a blue planet. So we have got a special name. We are called the blue planet. So my dear children, now look at this information I have given you. It is the third planet from the Sun. It is the largest among inner planets. It is a celestial object in blue color. It is visible in blue color. Can you see? Because of this blue color, we have got a special name. Blue planet. So, what is the blue planet? It is planet Earth. Planet Earth is called the blue planet. These are some information about the planet Earth. So what is this? What is the color? The red color or the reddish orange, almost red. What is this planet? Mars. So now we are at the end of our lesson. Why? Because in this lesson we are discussing inner planets. So up to now we have discussed 3. Mercury, Venus, Earth. These are the 3. So now the last inner planet, Mars. Where is Mars? Can you remember? In the solar system. So look at this picture. Where is Mars? It has the 4th place. 4 වෙනියට ඉන්නේ. Very much close to the asteroid belt. After the Earth. This is the location of this planet, Mars. So now, let's go to Mars again. This is Mars. You can easily remember. It goes with red color. Shall we look at this information now? Let's have a look at. It is called the red planet. That is why I told you it is visible in red color. So we say the red planet. The earth is visible in blue color. So the earth is the blue planet. So this is called the red planet. Mars is called the red planet because it is visible in red color. Then come to the next point. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. From the sun, it has the fourth place. There is a description. A dusty, cold, desert world with a very thin atmosphere. So the Mars is dusty, a bit cold, and also the atmosphere of Mars is very thin. Very thin. It is very weak. So Mars is also a dynamic planet with seasons, a bit similar to the Earth. Mars is little bit similar to the Earth because nowadays the people are considering it as a planet having water. But still we don't know it properly. But people believe there is water in Mars. Let's give them time to find it out. People are trying to visit Mars. People are making plans to live there. But still we don't know whether it has all the facilities. Anyway, up to now the information is there to prove Mars is having seasons just like the Earth. Then polar ice caps. It is believed there are ice caps in Mars. Then canyons, extinct volcanoes, දැනටත් තියෙන volcanoes. And evidence that it was even more active in the past. In the past, it was more active. So these are some special information about Mars. Then come to the next one. Next point. What is it about? Mars is one of the most explored bodies in our solar system. So dear children, do you understand it? Mars is one of the most explored bodies. That means astronauts has gone to this planet. Scientists have find out a lot of information about this planet. People have already visited this planet. People have written a lot of books about this planet. That means Mars is one of the most explored bodies in the solar system. People have find out a lot of information about this planet. And it is the only planet where we have sent. It is the only planet where we have sent rovers to roam the alien landscape. It is the only planet where we have sent rovers. What are the rovers? Do you know the rovers? It is just like a vehicle. But people are sending rovers to the other planets to find information about them. So they are just like a vehicle having wheels and everything. But we have sent them to Mars. So do you like to see what is a rover? Yes? Wait, I will show you. What is a rover? Can you understand this? Look at the picture on the background. Rovers on Mars. These are the rovers. Can you see the mountains are there? A land is there. Stones are there. A bit similar to the earth. So in this picture you can see a rover. We means our people on earth. We have sent rovers to Mars to find information. So this is a rover. Then more about Mars. We are going to learn more about Mars. So dear children, look at the first bullet. It has two natural satellites. Can you see the natural satellites on the background here? Deimos and Phobos, can you see? Deimos and Phobos here. So what is this? This is Mars in the middle. So Deimos and Phobos are the two important, two famous natural satellites of Mars. So what are the natural satellites? What are the natural satellites? Upagrahayo. We have the moon. අපිට චන්ද්‍රයා කියලා කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවනේ. We have the moon. So the Mars has two, Deimos and Phobos. So dear children, please subscribe my channel. Then you can get the notifications about my future lessons. There I'm going to introduce you what are the natural satellites. I will come with a separate lesson for that. So then you can understand what are the natural satellites. Stay until that. So remember the two names, Phobos and Deimos. It has a thin atmosphere. We also have an atmosphere. No? So now the Mars, it has a thin atmosphere. And carbon dioxide is the main gas. That is the problem there. The effect of the iron oxide prevalent on Mars surface. So dear children, do you know there are iron oxide on this surface, Matu Pita. Because of this iron oxide on the surface, it gets the reddish appearance. The red color comes because of this iron oxide. So, because of this reason, we call Mars as the red planet. This reddish appearance is distinctive among the other astronomical bodies. අනිත් ඒවා අතරින් කැපිලා පේනවා. It is prominent because of the color. So I think now you understand what is Mars, what are the natural satellites of Mars. It is the fourth planet in our solar system, located close to the asteroid belt. So my dear children, now we have completed our lesson about inner planets. Hope to meet you with a new lesson about the outer planets. Please subscribe my channel, comment on it, share it with your friends. And also if you want to clarify anything, please contact me. Thank you very much all of you.